So we're here at the SID Display Week, and hi.
Hi.
So who are you?
I'm Nicolas, sales manager in Germany for faytech, specializing in large formats and optical bonding.
So here, the display conference, the biggest display conference in the world. You're showing the biggest touchscreen in the world. What is this screen right here?
This is an 86-inch from our partner.
Yeah.
With optical bonding done by us.
Yeah.
This is a blackboard developed for classrooms. Okay, you can put it also in conference room, but the main purpose of it would be in classrooms because it has a special coating. You can write it with the chalk on it.
So there's like chalk here, and there's display in the middle.
Two sides coming with it. Basically, total width is 4.2 meters. It's a really big machine. You can also use it as a multimedia. You can write with chalk on it. It has its own software developed for.
And the display is, did you say 85?
86 inch.
86 inch.
Diagonal,
and
optically bonded PCAP.
Good quality touch.
Sure.
And perfect for education, enterprise,
conference rooms, this kind of thing. Just an interactive multimedia. Yeah.
And it wouldn't even be too expensive, right? How much would it cost, the whole system?
With the sides, I would say I don't want to, let's say, also.
But impressively affordable kind of price,
yeah,
maybe.
Let's say in the range of 5,000 to 6,000, probably something.
5,000-6,000 for display plus the whole size and everything.
Yes, exactly.
And this you can maybe eventually update if you want the CPU later or the.
I think that there shouldn't be a problem. But then again, I don't want to claim too much because this is our partner's product. So.
All right. And here you have what is this big football display?
This
for the World Cup?
Another product from our partner, an outdoor 75-inch, again, multimedia, just a point where you can put it, I don't know, in a hotel outside, by the pool, wherever. It's fully waterproof, dustproof, everything. So it's also touch screen. So yeah, just as a multimedia source.
And you often just do a Windows computer in your systems?
We can go in any way preferred. Usually for large formats, unless it's just for displaying some basic information, it can be also Android. But in order for the exhibitions, usually we use just Windows.
This is 4K.
55-inch 4K open frame, also optically bonded. This is already one of our products. For integration into the wall or into another device also, depending on what the customer requires.
You have lots of customers, right? Lots of projects. You're very busy?
With optical bonding, we are very busy because not a lot of people can do things that we do, especially with the 100% yield rate on bonding of open cells.
100%?
Yes, because our solution is completely reworkable, so we control the process, and immediately if we see that something's wrong, we can change it.
Nice. And this is with the latest the same product as the other one, right? But all these are with your latest factory.
Yes. This is the same 86 inches, also optically bonded by us. On the other side, we have a FlatFrog In-Glass, 65 inches. Basically, we are the only company that can do a in-glass bonding right now.
In-glass. What is this, FlatFrog?
This is the FlatFrog is a company, and In-Glass is their touch technology.
So, what's special about that?
That's, as I said, we are the only company that can do FlatFrog In-Glass bonding right now, large formats.
So
this is the special thing, that we are the only ones that can do it.
So it has the better touch technology, better touch performance.
Again, I'm talking about optical bonding now. The touch is just FlatFrog In-Glass, plain and clear. But what is special about this, that it's optically bonded, and not a lot of people, basically no one can do it at this moment.
This is the.
This is also a product of our partners, a 46-inch optically bonded kiosk, again optically bonded by us. So this exhibition is more concentrated on large formats, our open frames, and also the optical bonding that we do as a service.
And you have a smart mirror right here?
Yeah.
Are you good at making smart mirrors?
I would say so.
How does your technology fit well with the smart mirror business?
For me, it's hard to say because I specialize more in large formats and custom projects, so I'm not sure.
Right.
But it does look nice. The touch is really really responsive, and I think overall it's a very nice product.
And faytech has had some products under the rain and the outdoors and the very cold places. It's durable for many years now. I guess some of your early customers, they were still happy with their products many years after.
I think so. I mean, we can do anything from IP65, IP67, depending on what is needed. And right now, since we're also switching our focus a lot more into the large formats, I think that this is a pretty good market for digital signage, outdoor kiosks, outdoor displays.